day, everyone. My name is Okosun and from Patlemon Cool Global Services. We are into production of hair care products, cosmetic products. Our business is located in Uromi, Edo State. Our customer segment, we have hairstylists, women and young women who are in the age of 15 to 65. Our product is available and affordable. Our hair cream helps to prevent dandruff. It helps to prevent hair breakage. It has hair enlongment, and you can use our hair cream for both natural and artificial hair. Our startup capital is 1 million naira. Our financial projection for 1 year is 5,768,000 naira, while our net profit is 4,655,000 naira. We have a team of 6. We have 4 female and 2 male. The male, they help us in our production, and while the female, they help us in the marketing. Since I've entered this entrepreneurship, I've learned not to give up. I've learned to acquire more knowledge on my product. Thank you.